This is so delicious, guys. I can't even stop drinking. Mango cranberry shake.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango cranberry shake. So I have in a bowl 1 mango cut up, I have some nuts with some raisin, and I have some almond milk, 2 tablespoons of almond milk, and I have some cube ice, and I have my cranberry, and the bullet is right here. So I'm gonna get started, guys. So first I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Fruits and nut, followed by my almond milk, then the ice, then I'm gonna add my cranberry, just maybe a half cup of cranberry. I'm not going to use all of it, and then I'm going to blend. Remember, you can also use a blender to do this process. And there you have it, guys, all done. I'm gonna glass this now. Guys, just look at this rich color. Wow, isn't it amazing? Mango with cranberry juice. It's awesome, and it should taste really good. So
I'm gonna taste this for you.
yes,
This is so delicious, guys. I can't even stop drinking. The mango with the cranberry, and it's just the juice. It's awesome. There, guys. I'm almost drinking it off.
guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and your family, and don't forget, guys, to leave me a comment and know what to think about this nice shake. Okay, guys, and don't forget, guys, if you like my channel and my videos, please to subscribe. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So guys, just a little health benefit before you leave. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C, and cranberry juice have a lot of nutrients, so go ahead and make make this shake today. All right, guys. Guys, before you go, ensure you watch these 2 videos at the end of this video. Thank you.